Welcome to the virtual tour of Odessa's Old Town. Let's spend this hour and a half together to walk the streets of the historic quarter in real time, uncover the secrets of Odessa's main sites, talk about local traditions and lifestyle. Shall we begin? I'm standing on Odessa's legendary site, the Potemkin Staircase. Its 192 steps have made the city world famous. Primarsky, in English it's by the sea boulevard, grandeur mansions which were built by 1830s. They belong to the rich European merchants, Russian and Polish aristocrats. Today it's one of the most favorite places among the locals of the evening promenade. I'm walking towards one of my most favorite buildings in the Old Town. Today it's known as the City Hall, although it was built as the first building of Odessa's grain and commodity exchange. What made the city rich is wheat and grain trade. Let us bring to you our beautiful city.